Just acquired this Mercedes. It's the E-Class AMG Sport Coupe facelift model in absolutely superb condition throughout. As you can see, finished in white, hardly a stone chip on the bonnet. Diamond cut alloy wheels. Has an impeccable full Mercedes service history. Rear park distance control, lower AMG spoiler with twin exhausts. Absolutely lovely condition throughout. Boot area, immaculate. The full leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors, sports seats with the white stitch piping, auto headlights. It's got paddle shift on the gearbox, multifunction steering wheel, 87,461 miles. It's got cruise control, it's got satellite navigation, heated seats, here with me, climate control, cubby hole there, media pack, Bluetooth telephone connectivity for streaming music as well. DAB radio. It's in absolutely lovely condition. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For query further information, please give me a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.